Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna cover all the basic things related to crypto futures trading. I'll show you step by step on how to do futures trading, without paying 30% tax and 1% TDS, and I'll also show you which is the best exchange to carry out futures trading. Okay, now before we start, guys, in case if you're new to this channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Technovas. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, now which is the best and a safe exchange for futures trading that you should go for? Guys, I personally have shifted to Coinswitch now. Coinswitch is an Indian exchange which is number one in position right now. It's FI registered and has access to 400 plus cryptocurrencies. And it also has 2.5 crore registered users, which is highest when compared to other Indian exchanges. Okay, now how do you save a 30% flat tax and 1% TDS? Guys, if you're using an Indian exchange which is FI registered, you don't have to pay 1% TDS and 30% flat tax. Yes, you should pay tax, but not 30% flat tax. I'll explain this one. 1% TDS, 1% TDS only applies for spot trading, okay? It doesn't apply for futures trading. No matter, even if you trade like million times on futures trading, 1% TDS, it doesn't apply. Now coming to 30% tax, the government clearly says that you should pay 30% flat tax on all your crypto profits, right? Now, if you buy under spot, you're directly buying the virtual digital asset, and whenever you sell the crypto, you're selling the virtual digital asset. So whatever profit you make, 30% you should pay. 30% you should pay as a flat tax. But if you're trading under futures, you're not directly buying or selling the virtual digital asset. You're just entering a contract with that exchange. That's it. So guys, whatever profit that you make in futures trading, it's not subjected to direct 30% crypto flat tax. Your profits will be taxed under the general tax slab. So under the new tax regime, income up to 12 lakh rupees per year will not be taxed. Guys, now under this, assume that you invested 1 lakh rupees on Bitcoin under spot, and you made 1 lakh rupee in profit. So this 1 lakh rupee profit will be taxed 30%. So 30% is you should pay 30,000 rupees as tax. Guys, even if you're not making 12 lakh rupees per year, you made 1 lakh rupee a year, right? So this 1 lakh rupee profit will be taxed 30%. Now, on the other hand, assume that you invested 1 lakh rupees on futures trading and you made 1 lakh rupee in profit. So this 1 lakh rupee profit which you made from futures trading will not be taxed under 30% crypto flat tax. This will come under the general tax slab. So if you make 1 lakh, 2 lakh or 5 lakh in futures trading, and if your yearly income is below 12 lakh rupees, then you no need to pay any taxes. Okay, I hope you guys understood. Now in the description of this video, you'll find a Coinswitch exchange link. So click on that link and create your account on Coinswitch exchange. So if you click on the link, you'll get a page like this. Enter your phone number and click on register. Now tick these two boxes and click on I agree and generate OTP. Now you'll get an OTP to the provided number. So enter that OTP here and click on verify OTP. Now I'll minimize this page and I'll go on to App Store and I'll download the Coinswitch application. Guys, you can download from Play Store or App Store depending upon which phone you're using. Yes guys, this one here is the Coinswitch application. I'll download this. Click on allow. Enter your phone number here and click on verify number. You'll again get OTP. Enter that and click on verify OTP. Now here you should set up an 4-digit PIN. Re-enter that same PIN again. So yeah guys, this is how your Coinswitch account will look like. Now the next step is you should complete KYC and you should link your bank account. And after this, the third step is you should deposit money. Now click on this profile logo. Click on user verification. Click on get started with crypto. Now click on proceed. Here enter your Aadhaar card number and enter this captcha here in this box and click on next. And guys, you'll have few more steps and once you do that, your KYC verification process will get completed. Now the next step is I'll show you how to deposit money onto your Coinswitch account. Now click on your profile logo. Click on the wallet option. Click on add money. Here enter how much you want to deposit. Click on deposit. There's two options, okay? UPI and a bank transfer. I'll go with UPI. Guys, I've added my UPI ID here, okay? If you want to add, you simply click on this option and link your UPI. That's it. Now to pay, click on this pay option. Now it will take you to GPay. So complete the transaction. So yeah guys, deposit of 5000 rupees is complete. Okay, now I'll show you how to carry out futures trading. Now down below you will have several options like home, market, portfolio, futures and options. So I'll click on futures. So guys, this is a separate section for futures only, okay? And here also you will have options like home, market, positions and history. And there's an option called exit here. So if you click on this exit option, it will take you back to this page. Now I'll again click on futures. Guys, now if you come on to the market section, in the search box, you can search up your favorite cryptocurrency, or you can just scroll and find it. Now, as an example, I'll select Bitcoin. Now here you have this time frames. You can click on this and select your required time frame. If you click on indicators, you can find or you can search up your favorite indicators. And here you have this graph, okay? So you can carry out all the technical analysis stuff here. Now down below, you have two options, buy long and sell short. If you think that the market may pump, then you can go with buy long. If you think that the market may crash, then you can go with sell short. So no matter which side the market moves, you can still make money. Now I'll click on buy long. Okay guys, now at the top you have two options, market and limit. Now if you select the limit option, right now the price of Bitcoin is 85 lakh rupees, 85 lakh 29,000 rupees, right? So if I think the price may come down a little bit, then I'll set the price at 84 lakh rupees. So once the price of Bitcoin drops from 85 lakh rupees to 84 lakh rupees, then my trade will get executed automatically. Now under market, if you select this option, your trade will get executed instantly. So no matter what price BTC is trading, your trade will get executed at the current market price. Now here in this box enter how much money you wanna put on this trade. I'll put 3000 rupees. Guys, here BTC price is 85 lakh rupees, right? So if I open trade, then my liquidation price is at 72 lakh rupees. So after I open this trade, if the price of BTC comes down to 72 lakh rupees, then my trade will get liquidated. And this liquidation price depends on how much leverage you're using, okay? So under 7x, this is my liquidation. Now, if you want to change your leverage, then you can click on this option and you can set or change your leverage. Guys, remember higher leverage, higher profits and higher risk. And lower the leverage, lower the risk and lower the profit. Okay guys, now scroll this and select your leverage and click on confirm leverage. Now down below you have buy 0.004 BTC long. Click on that to open your trade. Click on view position. So yeah guys, my trade has been executed. This is my entry price and this is the market price and this is my liquidation price. Now guys, here I have to tell you one more thing. If you want, you can push a liquidation. Here you have this margin option, right? You can click on this and you can add extra margin here. For example, if I add 3000 rupees here, my liquidation has reduced from 78 lakh rupees to 71 lakh rupees. So if you want to push liquidation, then you can use this option. Guys, in case if you don't want to use this margin option, but you want to use stop loss, then click on this add option. So here you can enter your take profit price. Right now BTC is trading around 85 lakh rupees. So if I enter 90 lakh rupees here, and if the BTC price touches 90 lakh rupees, then my trade will close automatically. And down below you have SL, stop loss. Now if you open trade at 85 lakh rupees and if you don't want to take risk, then you can set stop loss. So if you set SL at 84 lakh rupees and if the price of BTC drops from 85 lakh rupees to 84 lakh rupees, then my trade will get closed and losses will be cut short. So once you have entered everything, click on confirm. Now guys, here in case if you want to close this trade as it is immediately, then you can click on this exit option and your trade will get automatically closed. That's it guys. Futures trading is that simple. Now if you want to start, then the link to Coinswitch exchange will be in the description of this video. And also guys, in case if you want signals or crypto related stuff, then do follow me on my Telegram channel. My Telegram channel link will be in the description of this video. Okay guys, now please do drop a like on this video, and if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now if you're a subscriber, then I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, peace.